What is up, people? This is Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, I can't believe I'm making this video. I can't really express my feelings, but today we are unboxing one of my grails. Like, grail, whew, this is exciting. Like, I am pretty damn excited to show you guys what I have got. And you guys have been guessing this sneaker since a long, like, I don't know how many days now, 2 to 3 days. I have uploaded a story on Instagram. I had asked you guys to guess, and people guessed a bunch of different things. Like, I have over 2 to 300 responses on that, and people have gone crazy. And I believe one guy, like literally one guy, had guessed it right. I actually don't know who it was. I just scrolled through it and I saw it and I just shit, I just don't know his name. But yes, I am really damn excited to show you guys what I have got, and this is going to get added to my sneaker collection. I am really excited to add this sneaker to my collection. But before everything, like, being very honest, before everything, I just want to thank you guys, because it's happening because of you. I am really thankful to you guys. So yes, thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys watching this video. I really appreciate who has not watched this video. Whew. I told you guys it is from one of my favorite sneaker brands, and after that, that guy guessed it right. So do you just look at this box from this side and just let me know in the comments if you know what this is. I hope you guys can see this. I just hope you guys can see this, what is written here. Like, I just don't want to extend this video for unnecessary reasons, but I am so damn excited to share this with you guys. I just did this same thing with my friends as well. I was like, let me show you what I've got. Surprise. So it is a surprise for you guys as well. So this is just read this. This is a Off-White Converse. This has been on my list forever now, since they have launched, since the day I have ever seen them, since ages now. And this, I really don't know how, but yes, I have landed this at my house. I have landed this in my sneaker collection, and I'm owner of a Off-White pair now. Yes, this is so damn exciting. I really wanted to have one Off-White pair at least. I have 2-3 on my list, maximum 3, but I have 2 on the list. One is ticked, other one is Jordan 1. I hope you guys know Jordan 1 Off-White. I won't tell which color, but yes, I have one on my list. But this one, I am you guys want to see the pair? Let's do it. I just don't know why you see. I am being very honest. I know 50% of you guys have skipped this part, this random me excited for a sneaker. Woo! And if you guys just don't want to see me being this way the whole video, just skip this video, because I'm going to be this way in the whole video. I'm going to show you guys random stuff of the sneaker. This is not going to be a review video. This is just me sharing this, sharing my achievements with you guys, sharing my dream pair with you guys. So just me and y'all, nothing else. Woo! The pair is here. It is Chuck 70 Off-White collab. It is a Virgil Abloh work, and finally I have one. Yes. This is a Chuck 70 Off-White collaboration. Like, let me show you both the pairs. Okay, shout out to Soul Vault. Oh, he has written my name here. So So shout out to Soul Vault. I got it sourced by him, and he's a very good friend of mine here in Pune. Zayan, if you are watching this, thank you so much for this. I'll post his Instagram in the description. Maybe you can check it out if you want to have anything, any sneaker related, anything like that. He's the guy here in Pune. I have Yes, Chuck 70. Why am I being so childish? Am I? Is this being childish? No, this is. See, I'll take. Okay, okay. I'll show you guys one thing. Shit, man! I wanted to do it so dramatically. Okay. This this is a tag, and if you guys are not a sneakerhead, if you are not a sneakerhead, if you don't know anything about Off-White, you must be thinking this is just a tag. Like, you have to cut this off and throw it. No, it is not just a tag. If this was not on this pair, I wouldn't have bought it. Like, if it was not available on this pair, like I would have bought it if this never existed. But when I know it comes with this, if this was not available with this pair, I wouldn't have bought it. So that is how important this is. And I don't know how to make you guys read this, but you guys can read it. It says Off-White, Converse, all of that stuff. 2018, zip tie. I just hope you guys can see that. So yes, this is a zip tie. You have to wear it with this. And if you guys ever spot me wearing this pair with this, do not cringe, because this is how it has to be. I hope so. But I am going to wear it. Someday I'll wear it with it, and someday I won't. But this is a pair of Converse Chuck 70, and this is not from the 10 pack of Off-White, but it released few years later, I believe. Okay, so it released few years later, but I'm really excited for this because this pair is a Virgil Abloh pair. He was an artist, he was a legend, how bad that sound. He was a legendary designer in this scene. He had made a huge impact on sneaker industry, and this is one of his work, and I am so glad to have it. Then talking about the details, there is nothing to hide here. Like, this is an all white pair with this black and white stripes on it. It is a rubber stripe. It is not just a random paint. It is a full-fledged midsole. Just have a look at that. Then you guys can see the shoelaces here, which says shoelaces in that double coat. That is Off-White's signature. And then you have this logo and bunch of things written here. I'll read this out. Okay, Off-White for Converse, Chuck Taylor All-Star, Malden, Massachusetts, USA, C 1917. That is the day when Converse has launched. That is the year when Converse has launched. Oh, I never noticed this on the pair. I'm being very honest. It might look like acting, but I had never noticed Converse has written this year. I believe that is, yes, 1917 was the year when Converse has launched Converse. So yes, and for some reason they have a very long lace. Like, I have laced them up, and after that, this is how long it is. Just have a look. I have laced them up totally, and they have a very long lace. I'll show you guys comparison. Give me a second. See, this is my Converse Chuck 70. I have laced them fully, and this is the max it comes out. The laces, just have a look at the laces here, and just have a look at the laces here. Same pair, same sizing, but the laces, these are really long. How do I wear it like this? I want to wear it like this. I wear my Converse like this. I'll have to figure it out. Okay, talking about some other details as well on this pair, because this pair has a lot of details. Just like this iconic orange tab here, and I used to think it is a removable tag, but it is not. It has been stitched and glued, so it doesn't come off anyhow, and I don't want to remove it. So yeah, that works for me. And what else I wanted to show? I wanted to show you guys this. Just have a look at the Converse back tab, like the license plate. It is ulta. This is how you can read it, but this is how they have made it. So that's again a very interesting detail. Then we have Converse and Off-White logo on the insole. This is Converse and Off-White logo. This is so much nicer. I like it. I really like it. So if you guys know, or if you guys have a Converse Chuck 70, you have this license plate here which says Converse Chuck Taylor athletic shoes and player's name. Like even on this pair you'll see that. On Converse Chuck 70 you get this license plate here. Like you can write your name, you can write anything you want there. Like that's for personal touch, I believe, but yes, you can see that. You can write your name or something like that in there. But on this pair, when they are collaborating with Off-White, why to write someone's name when you can write, or when you can paste a Off-White logo there? And I don't know if you can see that Off-White logo, because it's a white cloth and the Off-White logo, that is that cross, is in white color. Even I can't see it properly, but it is there and I don't know how to show it to you guys. Yes, it's really hot, huh? Or is it just this? That's really bad. I'm just flirting with this. I don't know why, but I am. I'm really excited for this, guys. And this is a beautiful box. Again, I just want to show you guys the box. Zip tie. You don't. And I have told my mom not to cut this, because if that's ruined, everything is. Okay, it says Off-White Virgil Abloh, defining the gray area between black and white as the color of white. Oh damn, just have a look at this. Read this if you can. That's some interesting stuff. I'm going crazy with it. I really love this pair, and this I believe will, I don't know what, because all of this pair is really insane. And here on the backdrop you can see that all of the pairs on the backdrops are crazy. I don't know, where do I have to keep this now? I just don't know, guys. What do you think? Where do I keep this? I have a Converse wooden box there. Converse is getting over my head now. Converse, if you guys are watching this, it's an addiction now. I have to do something. And it also has orange bottom, if you guys didn't knew it. Like, it has an orange bottom. But let me just keep this aside. Yes, do follow me on Instagram as well, because I do a lot of stories nowadays. I play games there, I play with you guys there. Not games, I ask some random things to you guys and all of that stuff. I interact a lot there. So yes, please do follow me on Instagram, because I had uploaded this story about this pair, a story there, and my YouTube audience didn't knew about it. So yes, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I am literally sweating. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.